You have probably seen in the news that the Bank of Mauritius has decided to maintain the key repo rate at 1.85%. What exactly does that mean? Well, the Bank of Mauritius has a few mandates. One of them is to look after the economic stability of the country. Recently, the Mauritian economy has been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, causing an economic recession. To add insult to injury, the recent unemployment rate is at 10.5%. Plus, we've had supply chain shocks, meaning rises in goods we import. Therefore, the key repo rate has been maintained at 1.85% for a couple of reasons. Number one, to keep the cost of borrowing low. This will increase spending and also promote economic growth in the country. Hopefully, this will bring back up the level of GDP. My name is Shaktee Ramtohul, and I'm a member of the ACCA.